Hi guys, it's Gloria from Tinker Wonderland. And look at the weather right now, guys. It's been snowing. We're having a snowstorm right now, and we're about an inch of the snow. And it's only afternoon, and from what I heard, it's gonna be snowing the whole day today. So everyone here in Iowa who lives here in Iowa, be careful in driving. It's gonna be a bad weather. We just have to go out and get something that we need, groceries, and then we will go home. And like I said, it's gonna be a bad weather today, so be careful, guys. Oh my god, it's snowing bad. And look at the sky, it's cloudy.
No, it's not cloudy. That's just straight out snow.
A what?
It's straight out snow. That's not
Straight
cloudy.
out snow. Okay. It's kind of fun though. Yes. But hopefully it won't get worse. This is what's happening right now. So yeah, that is our weather for today. And that's the reason why we have a four-wheel drive car.
This is all-wheel, not four-wheel.
Oh, all-wheel drive. Because we always get a weather like this. Oops, careful. Everybody's staying home while we're going out. Because I'm always looking for fun. Hubby is not happy for it with it. But he wants a happy wife is a happy life. He just wants to make wife happy, so he has to deal with it. Yeah, right. Alright guys, I'm just gonna stop right here for now, and I will talk to you later. Thank you for watching.
They're not open.
Bye for now. God bless everyone.
Did you hear me? Standard of winter.
It's 2:30 p.m. and the road is getting bad now. We just decided to go home. Don't stay longer outside. It might be like 2 inches now, right? 4 inches. Oh my god, 4 inches of snow now. That is the store. It's the wind that's picking up. God, the river is all ice now. Oh my goodness. Oh, not ice, it's snow. Full of ice. Oh, full of snow. Yeah. Everything is white. Back home. Okay guys, at 2:35 p.m. we have almost 4 inches of snow in our yard now. Right there. And it's still snowing. Too bad. Yeah. I'm going in. Look at that, guys. All white, all white. Okay, right now I'm not gonna play with the snow because it's really stormy now. So here is our place right now, guys. So to all Iowa residents, just be safe, guys. Be safe in driving. Talk to you on my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. My foot is sinking.